So let's rationalize the denominator for this particular radical. So first of all, we have 8, which is not simplified. So remember, there's a square number that can go into 8. That square number is 4. So 8 is as good as root 4 multiplied by root 2. So the square root of 4 is 2, like that. This means that we can rewrite this so that we have 6 divided by 2 root 2 plus root 2 plus root 3. So 2 root 2 plus root 2, when added, will give us 3 root 2 plus the root 3. So now we can rationalize. So the conjugate here is 3 root 2 plus root 3, not a plus but a minus. So the conjugate is a minus. Same thing here, 3 root 2 minus root 3. 6 times 3 root 2 is 18 root 2. 6 times root 3 is 6 root 3. Denominator, 3 root 2 times 3 root 2 is 9 times 2. 3 root 2 times root 3 will give us 3 root 6. So root 3 times 3 root 2 will be a positive 3 root 6. And lastly, root 3 times root 3 will be a negative 3. So clearly, this and this will cancel out because they're the same with different signs. So this will give us 18 root 2 minus 6 root 3 divided by 18, that is 9 times 2 is 18, minus 3, that is 15. So I can reduce this by simply saying this will give us 18 over 15 root 2 minus 6 over 15 root 3. So our final answer will be a number that can go into 15 and 18 is 3. So 3 into 18 is 6. 3 into 15 is 5 root 2 minus 3 into 6 is 2. 3 into 15 is 5 root 3. So there we have it.